Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. Today I'm going to do a smoked cabbage. We'll get it on the smoker at 225 for 2-3 hours. We'll let it go for about an hour and a half uncovered, get some smoke on it, then cover it up and let it steam the rest of the way. We're going to put the cabbage in the smoker. Got it at 225 degrees. We're going to get some smoke on there for an hour and a half, 2 hours. And we're almost an hour in. There we go. Cabbage. Looking pretty good. Okay, let's check the cabbage. Let it keep going. Yeah, it's looking good. We're just going to cover it with foil and let it steam. It's got enough smoke, and we'll let it go probably another hour, hour and a half. Wrap it up into a ball. Second. Move to this side. Good. The cabbage has been on for another hour. That's good. Turn it a little bit. Okay, the cabbage has been on for 3 hours now at 225. We're going to take it off, take it inside, open up the foil ball, cut it up and enjoy. Get that foil ball of a cabbage off. It's a little hot. Alright, that's how we roll at Man Kitchen Recipes. Take it off, roll it inside. Check it out.